Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use OnePlus's AI features on OnePlus phone or tablet to generate YouTube titles and descriptions. If you're attending a YouTube channel and have a OnePlus device, you can generate the titles and descriptions using AI on it. To do it, you'll need to have a smart bar enabled, which allows you to use AI tools. You can see this is this little bar on either side of the screen that, when slid towards the center, opens some useful tools. If you don't have it, go to the settings and then go to accessibility and convenience. Now smart sidebar, and make sure smart sidebar as well as smart functions are both enabled. Once that's done, you'll need to go into an app that supports AI writer tool, and I don't really understand why you need to go into a certain app because it has nothing to do with the app opened, but let's just go into notes because I know it's supported in the notes. Let's create a new one. Okay, and now open the smart sidebar and go to AI writer. Now describe what you want to write. I'll ask it to generate a I'll also add a few phrases that will make AI generate a actual good title. So let's ask it for an SEO-friendly, which means that it may have some better, more views that way. Because it will be more friendly to search engine. It will be just more search engine optimized. YouTube video title and description. If you have any sort of a template or just a certain layout of the description, you can describe it here. Like, for example, the first section of description should be something, then the second one should be something else, and so on. Feel free to describe it. I'll just make it simple. And let's say for a video titled how to use AI on OnePlus to create YouTube video titles and description. And let's add a few more things here, like feel free to add free hashtags and a CTA, which is a call to action, like, for example, a phrase, comment on your favorite methods of using AI or whatever. This is a call to action, basically. Let's click on generate, and now you can see there's a service error for some reason. Let's try again. I don't really understand that error. Let's close it, and I didn't save the prompt, but I'll try doing it again. Okay, I was able to do it, but I just forgot what the phrase was, so I entered it again in a shorter way, but feel free to make it more detailed. Feel free also to ask it to rewrite it in a shortened way, elaborated way, or to continue writing. I'm gonna select continue writing because I think it's a bit short. Yeah, and you can for example copy it like that and paste it into your YouTube description. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.